Good evening. I'm going to very quickly show you how to set up a Google Voice account. So here I am in my Google account. You will need a Google email address in order to create a Google Voice. You will need a Google email and you will need to go into your Google account. So this could just be your homepage. What you're looking for is the 9 tiles in the upper right-hand corner of the screen next to your profile picture. It may not be a photo, it may just be the first letter of your email address or your name, but it'll be listed here and there will be 9 tiles that you're looking for next to it. You're going to click that and you'll notice that Google Voice is not an option on the list of apps available on their little shortcuts. So you're going to go to More from Google. Click on More from Google. This will open up a page where you'll notice it talks a lot about their products. You want to go to Explore All Products. It's at the top, kind of in the center in a box. In the middle there, Explore All Products. You click it. What you're looking for is Google Voice. So I'm scrolling down. I'm looking for a little green telephone. I'm going to click Google Voice. And then in just a moment, it's going to prompt me to set up a Google Voice account. Notice it says Google Voice, smart voice calling on all your devices. So I'm going to be using this for personal use. Okay, it's going to ask me what type of device I want to set this up on. All right, so for now, I'm going to say web, but you can also go to the App Store on your phone and you can download the Google Voice onto your phone and then you can have it both places. So you can have it on the web where you can have a browser open and do your calling and conversations from your computer, or you can use the app on your phone to have Google Voice, or you can do both. I prefer to have both so that way during work I can have the web open and be monitoring that way. Or I can just check my phone real quick to see if anyone has called or messages have been left. So for the purposes of setting this up, we're going to go to web. Just going right along with my Google account that I have here. Do I want it to show me notifications? Yes, I do, because let's say I'm working on another page, then I will see a notification that lets me know I've got a phone call or a voicemail. I'm just pressing continue here. Do I understand the terms of service? Of course I do. And then it's going to ask me like the area that I want my area code to appear from. So it thinks I'm near Alamogordo, New Mexico. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to say that's fine. I'm really just looking for something that looks semi-local so that when I'm calling parents from my Google Voice phone number, it will appear that I'm around here and not some spammer from Michigan. Not that Michigan is full of spammers, all right, but I'm just going to select a phone number. And once you select the number, I did find this out by playing around with the program, you are stuck with it. If you try to change your number, it costs you money. So make sure that you're very purposeful in the number that you choose. All right, I do want this to be my number. I have to verify that it's my number. So it says it'll be forwarded to this number. So now I need to enter my actual phone number so that I can set this account up. And I'm going to pause real quick and get that done. And then I'm going to press send code. I will type in the code that it sends me on my phone and I will verify my account. Okay, after you set up your verification connecting to an actual phone, then it's going to tell you that you're verified and this number is now yours. Now you're just going to finish the process here of setting up your Google Voice. All right, so there you go. And if you know me, you know my name is not Angela, but I needed to be able to create an example Google Voice account here. All right, so if my favorite setting for this, I'm going to show you, if you go over to settings, sorry, it's the gear up here at the top. Here's my favorite feature, and this is free. Do not disturb. You can turn it on. So this way, at the end of your workday, if you're wanting to be able to disable your Google Voice phone number because maybe you have notifications coming to your phone, you just toggle this little green setting across and now your Google Voice, it will go directly to voicemail or messages, which you can check later when you log into your Google Voice account. And now you have the ability to call people from a Google Voice number that is not your personal cell number, and you have a lot of options about setting it up and turning it off. So right now I have do not disturb on. I'm going to end it. You can do this. Proud of you.